Hey guys, so I'm in my garage and I just wanted to share with you. This is the Skyvac. Everybody's been talking about this. It is expensive. I'm not gonna lie. Like for what it is, it's just a vacuum cleaner. Like it's not that strong. It's just a vacuum cleaner. If you wanted to, honestly, you could probably just go ahead and buy the poles, because you buy the vacuum and then you buy the poles here. I don't feel like getting it all out. You guys seen it. Everybody's been showing it in the groups on Facebook and everything. You got the poles, the carbon fiber poles that hook up to the vacuum. And the vacuum, they charge a lot of money for these little things, and they're not that great. I mean, I can see it breaking in the future. The bolts, all the screws are starting to rust already. And don't think I'm talking crap, because I'm not. Like, you'll definitely make your money back. Like, there's been a few roofs now that I'm like, before I'd have to move my ladder because they're too steep to walk, and then there's peaks you can't get to. You're trying to scrape them out. I see a lot of guys sharing the pressure washing attachments to, like, the rotary nozzle at a T to clean out gutters. I feel like that is retarded. You're gonna be putting shit you're gonna be putting stuff everywhere. You're gonna be getting moisture up under the shingles. You know, it's just a recipe for disaster, in my opinion. This is much better sucking it out, I feel like, obviously. But yeah, the only thing that sucks is the vacuum. Now, they have gas-powered vacuums, which I wish I would have bought. They're like $3,000 though. This thing, though, it wasn't cheap, and it's just a vacuum. That's it. It's a vac. You could have just bought the freaking poles and opted not to get the little crappy vacuum, because I got like 20 of them laying around like everywhere. I got another one in the other shed. Actually, I got a big vac just for craps and giggles. I'll show you a vacuum. This thing sucks like Monica Lewinsky when Bill Clinton was in office. Ugh, my garages are all a mess, sorry. It's that time of year where you don't got time to clean, but you got time to make a mess. This thing is sweet. It's for doing epoxy and stuff, but it can sock. It can sock. Yeah, don't get your hoses too close to the generator either. This little thing's nice too for dust extraction.